Today I've got a full duplex right here in sunny Departure Bay. That's right, a full duplex, which means this includes a 3-bedroom, 2 baths on one side and an equal 3-bedroom and 2 baths on the other side. So this is your opportunity to own the entire duplex. Not only do they have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on each side, but there's also an attached 1-car garage. Each side is about 1,400 square feet and has its own private yard and driveway. If you're looking for a shared living situation, maybe you've got another couple or your parents that you're sharing a home with, this is a great opportunity to be able to live together but have some distinct separation. Or maybe you're someone who's looking to own one side and rent the other to offset the cost of ownership. Or maybe you're just a pure investor that wants to get into the growing Nanaimo real estate market and not have to manage the upstairs, downstairs situation that goes in so many of our rental opportunities. 4153 and 4151 Departure Bay Road represent a great opportunity to get into the Nanaimo real estate market. To book a showing, or for a full information package including detailed rental specs for both sides, reach out to our team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.